Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 28th of April 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a positive note today. Nifty opened slightly up around 17,950 and then it made a high of 18,089. Overall the markets looked positive today. Even at the time of close, Nifty managed to continue its uptrend and closed around 18,065, which is a good sign. Similarly, Sensex jumped 463 points to give a closing of 61,112. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in green, with Nifty PSU Bank emerging as top gainer with gains of 2.45%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports and Nestle India. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 3.72%, 3.22% and 2.85% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Axis Bank, Titan and ONGC. They fell within the range of 0.84% to 2.43% respectively. For the corporate segment we have Adani Group is mulling to raise nearly $800 million for new green energy projects, news agency Bloomberg reported Thursday, citing people familiar with the matter. Tata Group hospitality firm Indian Hotels Company Limited on Thursday reported a 65% increase in consolidated revenue from operations at 5,809.9 Indian rupees crore in the current fiscal year 22-23, over last year's 3,056.22 crore rupees. LTIMindtree said its consolidated profit grew by 11.3% quarter-on-quarter to 1,113.7 rupees crore, and revenue increased by 0.8% to 8,691 rupees crore compared to previous quarter. Operating numbers remained strong, boosting bottom line. HDFC Bank has said that its board of directors has approved the appointment of Kaiser Bharucha as deputy managing director, and Bhavish Zaveri as executive director of the bank for 3 years from April 19, 2023. HFCL along with its material subsidiary HTL has received the purchase orders of 65.72 crore rupees from Reliance Retail for supply of optical fiber cables to one of the leading private telecom operators of the country. Nippon India Mutual Fund bought 3.26 lakh equity shares in the company via open market transactions at an average price of 3,345.25 rupees per share. However, PGIM India Mutual Fund sold 3.28 lakh shares in the company at an average price of 3,345.25 rupees per share. BNP Paribas Arbitrage acquired 10.5 lakh shares in the company via open market transactions at an average price of 95.5 rupees per share. However, Dovetail India Fund Class 5 shares was the seller in the deal. Trent has posted 65% jump year-on-year jump in revenue in Q4 financial year 23, driven by strong sales at its flagship retail chain Westside and budget-friendly store Zudio. PI Industries will acquire 100% stake in Theracom Research Medilab for $42 million, 100% stake in Solis Pharmachem for $3 million, and 100% stake in Archimica for €34.2 million, and certain assets of TRM US for $5 million. For stocks to watch, we have Adani Ports looks good on current market price of 681. It can be bought at 675 rupees, keeping target of 750 rupees with stop loss of 625. IVP Limited in daily time frame is trading around 169.8 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 296,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 137.33, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.9. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Pondy Oxides in daily time frame is trading at 372 points with a change of 13.41%, and is trading with a net volume of around 74,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 333.75. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.79. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.